switch the American dream for the Thai dream. Now, I have to make one thing clear, and that is, or actually a couple of things. First is, I am not an American, as maybe you can realize by my accent. Second thing is, I have been to America in 2023 and lived in Texas for about 5-6 months, and I've also stayed in Arizona for about 10 days, and I have to say I absolutely love America. And the reason I absolutely love America, and the reason I have the utmost respect for the American people, is because of the way that I was treated when I was there. I went to US, to Texas, without knowing anybody, and I can say I found my second family there. People have been extremely nice to me, and I just love America. You know, there's nothing bad I want to say about this country. I just love America. So, and I have respect for American people, and love, because again, I was treated with love and with respect when I was there, so there's nothing bad from me to say about America. But I've seen quite a few videos on this platform with, just give me a second, I need to cross the street. With a similar title, not similar title, but yeah, I've seen some Americans who left America for Thailand and they say it's much better here. I don't know. I don't want to say that. I wouldn't say that. And then I've seen lately some, like many videos from people complaining how bad America is. They are Americans, of course. Again, I have no bad words to say about America. I love the country, I love the people there. That's been my experience. But what I do want to say is that you don't need to stay in one place if you don't like it. You don't need to leave, quote unquote, the American dream if that's not even a dream anymore. You can change you can change places. You can change your life. You can change places. You can come here to Thailand. You can go in any other country and potentially have a better life, or a life that you want, a life that you desire. You can do that. Okay? And of course, I'm not talking about you guys that are married, have children, or have other responsibilities that tie you down. I think that's the expression. Tie you down to being where you are. You're tied geographically to staying where you are. I'm not talking about you, of course. I'm talking about the people who might not have a family yet, people who are single. These are the people that I'm talking to. And I'm also not talking to people who want luxury and are attracted to material things and climbing the corporate ladder. Because I actually had someone in the comments saying that, oh, well, I like luxury things, well, then I'm not talking to you. So if you want to escape, if the American dream is not a dream anymore for you, and you're just living paycheck to paycheck, and you feel like you're going nowhere with your life, every day is the same, you lack adventure, then switch it up. Change it. Don't change the American dream for the Thai dream. Change the American dream for the Spain dream, for the Colombian dream, for Spanish dream, Colombian dream, right? Brazilian dream. Change it. Don't stay in that place if you don't like it. Don't. And I have a video on my channel, or I should be having a video on my channel soon, where I talk about the free... I'm not sure what the title will be, but I'm gonna just tell you in this video as well. There's 3 things you need to think about when you're changing countries. Sorry. One is the visa requirements. I'm coughing so bad. I can't get rid of it. I've been coughing for over 2 months now. Visa requirements, number 1. Number 2, vaccines. And number 3, finances. How are you gonna make money while you travel or in your next destination? And the best things, or the best ways to make money, is have an online business, but I think that's hard. But it's up to you. Number 2 is have or get a remote job. But with that, you'll be working most probably a 9 to 5, and depending on the job, you probably have to be in a country that is in the time zone, that's in the right time zone, basically. And the third one is just learn a skill, or if you have one, that's great. But learn a skill that allows you to freelance. And that's what I do. I am a digital marketer. I do Facebook ads and Instagram ads for local businesses. But that's it. If you don't like where you are, can be America, can be UK, any place of the world. If you don't like where you are and you feel like you need to make a change and that will help you, do it. Do it. We are so fortunate in 2025 to be able to go pretty much wherever we want, which was not the case 300 years ago. But you can do that now. So we're living in the best times. Let's take advantage of this.